how much should you actually spend on a circular saw? Because people are happy buying the cheap ones, but returning the expensive ones. It's a bit interesting.
Product number 1, Skill 5080-01 Circular Saw. The Skill 5080-01 caught my attention with its bright red design and promises of power. This 13-amp circular saw is a solid choice for those who want performance without breaking the bank. If you're looking for reliability and efficiency in your woodworking projects, this is worth a serious look. One of the standout features is its 13-amp motor, which gives you more power and performance than similar models. This means cleaner cuts and the ability to slice through tougher materials with ease. It's also designed with a 51-degree bevel capacity, allowing you to tackle a variety of cuts. Plus, the spindle lock makes changing blades a breeze. Given that over 2,000 units were sold just last month, there's clearly a demand for this saw. Now, some people complained about its weight, mentioning it feels a bit heavy during prolonged use. Here's the thing though, if you're looking for a durable saw, a little extra weight often means more stability. It's not a deal breaker unless you're really sensitive to fatigue. This is perfect for you if you're a DIY enthusiast who needs a reliable tool for home projects. Skip this one if you need something ultra-light for casual use. Considering its price and features, it offers great value for your money. Now, if the skill's weight might concern you, the next one takes a completely different approach.
Product number 2, DeWalt 20V Max Circular Saw. The DeWalt 20V Max Circular Saw is a powerhouse in a compact design. With its cordless feature and impressive specs, it stands out in the crowded market of circular saws. If you want flexibility and power while working on the go, this is definitely worth a look. This saw delivers a whopping 5,150 RPM, allowing you to tackle demanding cuts effortlessly. The lightweight magnesium shoe adds durability while ensuring accuracy, which is crucial for clean finishes. With a 50-degree bevel capacity, you have the versatility to take on various projects, from simple DIY tasks to more complex woodworking. Plus, the keyless blade change is a game changer, making it user-friendly. Many users have praised its balance and comfort grip, which is perfect for extended use. However, some folks have pointed out that the battery isn't included, which can be frustrating if you're not already invested in the DeWalt ecosystem. But here's the thing, if you're serious about your tools, investing in their batteries means you can power multiple devices, making it less of a hassle in the long run. This is perfect for professionals or serious DIYers who value portability and power. Skip this if you want something budget-friendly and are okay with corded options. Considering the quality, it's reasonably priced for a tool of this caliber. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for power enthusiasts looking for something a bit more heavy-duty.
Product number 3, DeWalt 20V Max XR Brushless Saw. The DeWalt 20V Max XR Brushless Circular Saw. This model really impressed me with its features and power, making it a top contender if you're serious about woodworking. If cutting through tough materials without compromise is your goal, this is definitely worth considering. What sets this saw apart is its powerful brushless motor, which delivers up to 5,500 RPM. That means faster cuts and less time spent on your projects. You also get a maximum cut depth of 2 5/16 inches at 90 degrees, allowing you to handle thicker materials with ease. The electric brake is another fantastic feature, stopping the blade quickly to prevent accidents. Many users rave about how this saw handles demanding tasks with ease, and it's no surprise with over 1,000 units sold recently. However, a downside is that it's sold as a tool-only option, meaning you'll need to buy the battery separately if you don't already have one. But I'll be real with you, if you're looking for serious performance, investing in the battery is worth it, especially for those who plan to expand their DeWalt collection. This is perfect for serious woodworkers or contractors who need a reliable tool for demanding tasks. Skip this if you're just starting out and want something simpler. It's a solid investment for the features it offers. Now, if you need something more compact and budget-friendly, the next product on the list might impress you.
Product number 4, CC Mini Circular Saw. The CC Mini Circular Saw is a unique option that caught my eye, especially for those who might feel overwhelmed by larger models. At just about $50, this saw is perfect for DIYers looking for convenience without compromising on function. If you want a lightweight and versatile tool for small projects, this is definitely worth a serious look. This saw packs a punch with its 4.8 amp motor, reaching up to 4,000 RPM. That's pretty impressive for a mini saw. It comes with 3 different blades, allowing you to cut through wood, soft metal, and even tile, which is a big plus. Plus, the integrated laser guide improves cutting accuracy, making it easier for you to get straight lines. It's also designed to be lightweight, making one-handed use a breeze, which is ideal for various home projects. However, some users mention that the depth adjustment could be a bit tricky to get used to. But here's the thing. Once you get the hang of it, the tool's versatility more than makes up for the small learning curve. This is perfect for DIY enthusiasts who want a compact tool for smaller cuts. Skip this if you need something heavy-duty for larger projects. At this price point, it offers fantastic value for anyone looking to tackle home renovations. Now, if you're looking for something with real power, the final product is a must-see.
Product number 5, Skill Saw SPT77WML-01 Worm Drive Saw. We have the Skill Saw SPT77WML-01. This worm drive saw is designed for serious cutting tasks, and its lightweight construction is nothing short of impressive. If you're in the market for a powerful saw that won't wear you out, this is worth checking out. Boasting a 15-amp motor, this saw can rip through lumber with ease, making it a favorite among professionals. The magnesium construction significantly reduces fatigue, allowing you to work longer without feeling drained. It also features a 53-degree bevel capacity, widening the cutting options. The anti-snag lower guard is another nice touch, ensuring smooth operation even with small cutoffs. Given its popularity with over 600 units sold last month, it's clearly making a mark. On the flip side, a few reviews have mentioned the price as a bit steep for casual users. But here's the thing, if you're serious about woodworking and want a tool that lasts, this investment pays off in performance and durability. This is perfect for contractors or serious DIYers who need a reliable, powerful tool for frequent use. Skip this one if you're just starting out and need something more basic. Considering its features and build quality, it's a solid investment for serious projects.
So there you have it. The Skill 5080-01 for reliability, DeWalt's 20V Max for portability, the XR brushless for heavy-duty tasks, CC's Mini for compact needs, and the Skill Saw Worm Drive for serious power. Each has its strengths, so think about what fits your needs best before making a decision.